Dear injured skater, I see you. I know that you are in a lot of pain. I know that you're struggling, and I know that you're struggling mentally, physically. I know you're struggling to speak out the emotions that you're feeling. I know you're struggling because I've been there, and I am there. And sometimes it's the absolute worst. And I want you to know that I see you. And more than anything, I want you to know that you're not alone. The roller skate community is wonderful for many, many reasons. But one of the reasons why the roller skate community is so awesome is because we gather around and we take care of our own. And when you're injured, this is your time to be taken care of. And so I want you to just take a minute. I want you to breathe with me. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And know that it's going to be okay. And okay is going to mean different things for different people. You might heal in a week. You might heal in a month. You might have to get surgery and be off skates for 6 months, a year. You might never heal. But here's the thing. You're going to get through this. I know that because we push through. We're skaters. We're hardcore. And even though we're tough, we're hardcore, it's still okay to be in pain. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to be real with how you're feeling. It's okay to be mad. It's okay to be angry. It's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to be sad and disappointed and mourn the loss of this time on your skates. All of those things are okay. And lots of us have felt it before. Lots of us are feeling it now. So reach out if you need help, if you're feeling lonely, if you're feeling sad. Say something. Let the community help you. Let us support you. Know that you can do this. Skating will be there forever. Skating isn't going away. But your body is the one body that you get. So you should take care of that body. Love that body. Cherish it because it's yours and it's amazing. And it's allowed you to skate up until now. So listen to it. Do what you need to do. Take the time that you need, that your body needs. And know that the skate community isn't going to abandon you. The skate community will always be here. And your skates will be there when your body is ready. You're not alone. You have so many people who love you and support you, especially me. Now, I want you to go drink some water. I want you to rest. I want you to do whatever it is that you need to do to make your body feel better right now. And I want you to grant yourself the forgiveness and the grace to do that for yourself today. And when you do it, tell me you did it in the comments. Let's encourage each other. Let's be there for each other. Let this comment section be a place where we can support each other and show each other that we're there for each other, because sometimes when you get injured, you're at your most vulnerable. And you're at your most vulnerable not just physically, but mentally too. And that's okay. I love you so much.